Welcome. If you want to use AdBlock in your XIAOMI Black Shark 3, I recommend you to get the Opera Mini browser. They got partnership with the AdBlock Plus, so you don't have to connect any external application to your browser. So go for the Play Store, tap on the search, type Opera Mini, get the first one, tap on install, and when it's finished, just open. Right now, just wait a little bit. Click continue 2 times, and right now we can enter the website. Maybe we can enter this one, and as you can see here, we got the notifications that the first ads were blocked, and right now when we scroll down the page, we cannot find here any ads. So I hope that helped you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe our channel.